Determine the resultant moment of the four forces acting on the rod as shown in the figure about the point O. So that is the given question. So I want to calculate moment about O. So that is sigma MO. So moment is nothing but product of force and perpendicular distance. So for each and every force I am going to calculate the perpendicular distance. I am going to take the product of those two. So here the first force is 50 newtons. So 50 into perpendicular distance up to the moment center. So if you want to find perpendicular distance, draw a line passing through this point parallel to considered force. So then this is the perpendicular distance, right? So first force is 50 and perpendicular distance up to the moment center is 2. To find whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise, we can do one thing. So here this is the object. So this is moment center O. Now you are applying force at A. So this is the point A. So when I apply force at point A in this direction, it will rotate in clockwise. Or otherwise, this is the point. So an application of force is here. In the direction of force, force is directed in this direction, right? Encircle the moment center. How I am doing here? Clockwise. So when I am do that, so I am getting clockwise means negative. So another force 60 newtons. So 60 Newton force, line of action is passing through point O. So that means moment because of that force will be 0. Moment because of that force will be 0. So no need to calculate moment for that. And the remaining forces are 20 Newton and 40 Newton. I have to consider perpendicular distance for those two. So I know that here BC distance is given as 3 meters, right? So I can find perpendicular distance between those. So here if this is 30 degrees, this is going to be 30 degrees, right? So here this is in the form of a right angle triangle. So here this is 3 meters, this is 30. So then it will become 3 cos 30. It will become 3 sin 30. Right? So moment because of 60 Newton force is 0. Next we will consider 20 Newton force. 20 into perpendicular distance. Draw a line passing through moment center parallel to considered force. So then a line will appear like this. So it will be like this. So then this is the perpendicular distance. Thus distance is nothing but 3 sin 30, right? 3 sin 30. So if you want to find whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise, so moment center is here, O is here, and force is here, 20 Newton force is here. In the direction of force, encircle the moment center. How I am doing here? Anti-clockwise means positive. Next 40 Newton force. 40 into perpendicular distance. Draw a line passing through moment center parallel to considered force. So then this is the perpendicular distance, right? It is nothing but, so 2 plus 2 that is 4. 4 plus 3 cos theta, right? So that is 4 plus 3 cos theta. So to find whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise, moment center here and application of force is here. In the direction of force, encircle the moment center. So it is happening in clockwise sense. So clockwise means negative. So if you simplify this one, you will get the value for moment about O. So you will get around minus 333.92 Newton meter. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.